Hi guys, this is Atul Dhakapa here from Xenia Consulting. It is 20th May 2020 that I'm actually recording this video message on. Incidentally, it's our 10th anniversary in operations. So actually, we're completing 10 years in operations. It's a quiet celebration. Obviously, everybody is actually working remotely from home because of the situation right now. But I thought it is actually a celebration all the same. It has been an eventful 10 years. While it is one reason to actually celebrate, and it's always nice to celebrate milestones, it is always nice to set some targets for the next few years as well. So, so I think I have mixed thoughts when I start looking back and reflect on the day when I actually started operations back in 2010, in May 2010. We had really set out to become a trusted partner for the clients that we actually work with. And today, as we work with several clients, and a lot of these clients, we've actually been working for several years together. I think, we have achieved much of that objective that we had actually set ourselves for. We have kept on improving over the last few years, and it's thanks to a wonderful team that has really challenged the status quo and kept on delivering and innovating and trying to find newer ways to deliver results for our clients. um, Over the years, I would say we've delivered awesome results to clients. We've actually been able to deliver significant growth. We've helped several of our clients achieve significant milestones in terms of revenues, and I really feel proud of being able to do that for our clients. And I would really take this opportunity to thank our clients, for their trust and continued patronage of our services. While we are doing everything we can to service them and help them, there may have been cases, or there may have been instances where you guys might have felt a little less confident. But thanks for keeping the trust in us and continuing to work with us. Thank you. At this moment, I also want to talk about our incredible team. And when I say our incredible team, it is all the present employees as well as several of the wonderful past employees that have actually worked with us. There have been several of you guys who have actually worked with us and delivered immense value to what we are doing as an organization, as well as the immense value to the clients that we actually serve. um, I believe most of the teams that we've had the have taken significant initiative and have taken ownership of different targets that the client has actually set. And we've always managed different challenges as they have come across to us. So I think a lot due to our existing teams and our past employees as well. So thank you one and all. Um, Lastly, I would actually just talk about some of the core values that we have always lived with, at Xenia, and I think this is ingrained in every individual that actually works with Xenia. And I thank all of you for abiding by these guiding principles for Xenia. And really, I think there are these five major principles that we live by. One of them is accountability, which means basically we are accountable and answerable to our client irrespective of what happens. So we are we take that ownership significantly. We have across all our operations we always ensure transparency. Obviously, transparency not in confidentiality matters, but transparency in terms of our operations. We are we are very transparent. What is happening, what is not happening, what is working, what is not working. We let our clients know, and we keep on changing our path to the in the best interest of our clients. The third principle is really integrity. So obviously we might be working with maybe clients also who are in the same space, in similar spaces, but we will always work to make sure that our clients' interests are actually safeguarded. So even in case, for example, our clients come and want to do certain things where we strongly believe that it will actually harm their cause, we have gone and advised clients that we should not be doing it. So I think integrity is actually the third virtue. We have responsibility. I believe all of us are actually responsible individuals, and we take responsibility for whatever actions that we have committed to for the client. So you can almost say that most of the times we are the last man standing. So irrespective of what happens, the responsibility lies with us to ensure that everything is actually delivered as per commitments. The fifth virtue really is ownership, and ownership I mean it is we really sort of own the targets and objectives. So it is very easy to actually pass the buck and find a blame game, and so all of that actually works in corporate politics. But we are very different. We are more like a startup. We make sure that anyone who's actually responsible takes the last mile ownership. So seldom have we actually faced situations where the ownership is not clear, or people have passed the baton without the other person actually picking it up. So I think these five values have been pretty key in our operations all through these years, and I hope they will continue to be held in important views by present employees, as well as future employees who join us in the next few years as well. um, yeah, I think with that, I really thank all my customers once again, all my employees, and all my well-wishers, for being a part of this wonderful journey for the last 10 years. And here's looking forward to the next 10 years. Thank you and cheers.